So one other thing I did think I'd mention is that Ibis hotels actually they don't accept cash anymore, but they do accept a Visa, MasterCard, and American Express. So if you have an Amex that gives you points, or you want to get Zilch or something that gives you a MasterCard that gives you rewards, then those are all accepted, both for the room and for paying for any drinks or extra things. There's actually quite a nice outside seating area, just outside reception. It's got a bit chilly now, but in the afternoon when the sun was out, it was actually really warm. So let's see if there's another one. Maybe they're getting a bit less often now that it's evening and it'll be dark soon. Just in time. We do have another one, a Ryanair. There you are, I hope you enjoyed that.